We are going to use our organic acai shelf-stable to make a delicious acai bowl. We are going to make a tropical blend organic shelf-stable acai bowl. Because it comes liquid, I'm going to use my measuring cup. 100 grams is gonna give me the same size as our acai pack. This has 20 servings. So I'm gonna pour my acai into the measuring cup. And this is gonna give me about 2 portions, okay? And we're going to add 3 tropical fruits in here. I'm gonna use fresh mangoes, bananas, and fresh pineapple. Because everything is fresh and the aseptic acai is liquid, I'm going to add some ice cubes into my recipe. I'm gonna use 2 ice cubes, that should be enough. And now let's blend. Few seconds blending and my organic shelf-stable acai bowl is ready. Then you can add your favorite topping. I'm gonna add some mangoes because it is a tropical acai bowl that I'm making. I love strawberries, so I'm gonna add some more strawberries. I'm gonna add some peanut butter for protein. It's really good for you. I'm gonna add right in the center. And I'm gonna end it up with some granola. And I'm ready to taste my tropical acai bowl made with liquid shelf-stable acai. This is my favorite part. Delicioso. Very delicious.